Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Scout. We're here with Bat Conservation and Management.
Today we're going to be putting up a super rocket roost which simulates a dead tree. It has two different types of crevices for bats. We have our wedge crevices on the side and our vertical crevices in the front. This is one of our easiest bat houses to install. All you need are the lag bolts, a 9/16 socket, and a 4 by 6 by 16 foot post. To get your rocket roost to fit over your post, you might need to temporarily remove the two bottom screws. So to put this together, we're simply going to slide our rocket roost right onto our post. You may want to periodically stand at the end of your rocket roost as you lag it, just to make sure you don't need to add your shims to keep it straight.
Bats need to land on the post to climb up into the roost. So we'll add scratches with the utility knife about 16 inches below. Okay.
All we have left to do is to put our shell over our roost and put our pole in the hole. So to go ahead and install our pole, we want to make sure that we have our digging tools, we have a bucket of water, some concrete, and we need a level for our pole. Then we'll go ahead and push our pole into place. It's not helping.
Now that we have our bat house installed, it's tradition to say, just add bats for good luck.